Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to insert a blank table to a PDF file using Microsoft Word. Open your Microsoft Word software. Now select here open or browse option and open your PDF file. I'll open this one and select open, and this PDF file automatically convert into Word file. And see this PDF file now convert to Word file. Now click anywhere and where you want to place your table. Now select this insert option and this is table option. Click this down arrow and here you can select table, cell, column and row, and see this. In this way you can insert table your PDF file and another table here. Select insert table and see this. Now you can type text and anything on this table, and finally select file option and save as. Again save as is you can save as Adobe PDF and other PDF, and select this PC and select yes and select here PDF. Also desktop and see this. In this way you can insert a blank table on your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.